Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanali, and today I will be making a 4-color bracelet with clay beads. To get started, I need my elastic thread or cord and of course the clay beads. The colors that I will be using are blue, light purple, peach, and lime green or light green. I use a beading needle to make my bracelet since I really believe it makes my work go a bit faster. So here I'm threading my needle. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please take this time and do so, and please remember to turn on that notification bell so you will be the first to notify when I drop a new design. I will be starting with the blue beads and continue across to the green beads. Okay, let's get to beading. At this point, guys, I'm really struggling getting this bracelet to tie the way how I want it to be tied. So it is finished. I love it. It looks lovely. Guys, please don't come at me about my table. I have a black table, so the least thing I do, that's how it looks. I got only 2 of this design since I'm limited with these colors. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Remember, my launch is March 4th, and this design will also be on my website. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Happy beading.